Replacing a Goodman air conditioning capacitor and contactor safely and efficiently starts with having the right tools and knowing the procedure step by step. For a basic Goodman air conditioner, capacitor, and contactor replacement, bring a reliable multimeter and set it to the correct range for microfarads when testing capacitors and to volts and continuity when checking contactor coils. Use fully insulated screwdrivers and needle nose pliers to remove and replace wiring to avoid shorts and accidental contact. Always discharge the capacitor first by using an insulated screwdriver across the terminals while holding a firm grip on the insulated handle and confirming 0 volts with the multimeter. Carry replacement parts that match the original specifications exactly, including capacitance and voltage ratings for the capacitor and coil voltage and contact rating for the contactor. If the labeling is worn, record model numbers from the unit nameplate before ordering parts. Bring quality zip ties to secure loose wiring and keep wires away from moving fan blades and service panels. Have safety gear such as safety glasses and work gloves and a simple umbrella or weather cover to protect the unit and yourself if service is performed in rain. Use a digital camera or phone to photograph the original wiring arrangement before disconnection so you can restore terminals precisely when installing the new components. Technicians often forget to fully isolate power and then discharge the capacitor, which risks electric shock. So always switch off both the outdoor disconnect and the indoor breaker and verify absence of voltage with your meter before touching anything. Another common issue is reading or replacing the capacitor with the wrong microfarad or voltage rating, which shortens life or causes failure. So double check the values stamped on the original part or the unit nameplate and match them exactly. A third frequent mistake is poor terminal connections or loose screws that cause arcing and premature failure. So tighten to manufacturer torque where provided or ensure firm mechanical and electrical connection and use dielectric grease sparingly on aluminum terminals if recommended. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options related to air conditioning service and components. We host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, ask questions, and recommend local service pros, while contractors can find leads and post their availability.